See, you're
Dude, I'll pick up a board and knock that shit down. For what? You watched me kick 100 times. For what?
Man.
For what?
On August 2nd, 2024, deputies responded to a chaotic family dispute after a man reported that his sister was threatening people inside the home. But when officers arrived, they quickly discovered the situation was already spiraling out of control.
Take a seat.
Have a seat.
All right, let go.
Sit down.
Well,
and then I'll let
can
you
I?
up. So what's going on?
He
Yeah, you
kicked
got
me like
Daddy
100
in there. No,
fucking
you still have Daddy in there.
Like on the phone, like he knows how to play the game.
What is your name?
Melissa Paragas.
Okay.
If you look him up, John Paragas, he assaulted the wife. He
So what happened today?
So I came to my mother's house and he came out like kicking me out of his room, like kicking me 100 times. I don't have my phone.
Okay.
So what is your relationship with him? Is there
my
a relationship?
brother.
That's your brother.
And that's my mother.
Okay.
Can you loosen this?
Do you live here or he lives
No,
here? I
he
can see
lives-
them. They appear to be very loose.
But
They're
you know what?
inappropriately.
It's like, dude, I'm not going to
I'm
do
able
anything.
to stick a finger on both of those. Have a seat
Okay.
again, please. Have a seat again, please.
So what was the whole purpose of coming over here today?
Like to protect my mother. 'Cause I'm
To-
sick of him.
To protect her.
Yeah.
Okay, so what was happening before you got here?
Like he's taking advantage of her money-wise and everything else. And I came and confronted that, and listen, he kept coming out of the room and kicking me and whatever, and I'm sick of it. She's scared of him, so she's not going to go against him.
Okay, so what happened
Can
from
you
the
move my
second
hair
you
out of
got
my
here?
face?
I'm not
The
gonna
second
touch
out of
your
my arrival, I went to my mother.
hair. Okay, what happened from there?
I don't know. He
Yeah,
came
they
out of
just
his
say clear the
room.
channel, I think.
So what happened from the second that you got
He
here?
started kicking me.
Just
I'm
out of
calling
nowhere,
the
just
cops.
randomly.
Yeah, he's bipolar. And saying that I went after him and got on the phone because he knows how to play the game. Like,
Okay.
dude, I'm so uncomfortable. Could you, like, Sarah, am I gonna like go after you? Can you just get this off of me?
Whenever we're done conducting our investigation, we will.
Okay. Can you move my hair out of my face?
Man, I'm not going to touch your hair at all. I'm not supposed to. Okay, I'm not saying it rudely.
So
If you take them off, you're
I
going to be
just
charged
want
with the
to.
resistance.
Can you just move my hair?
We already told you we're not moving your hair, man.
So I'm the bad guy.
No, we didn't say you're the bad guy.
I'm trying to figure out what happened. I just got here.
Well, he's bipolar. If you look up John Paragas, you can look up that he wanted to burn the house
Well,
down.
unfortunately,
He got
one
in
of our
concert. They put him in jail.
Okay,
and
so-
she bailed him out.
So if you called me to your house for an for something,
I didn't call you.
No, I'm
He
not.
did.
I'm not. But
You're not
I'm
listening.
trying to ascertain the facts of what happened here. But,
So he
no,
called
no.
knowing that he knows
Okay,
the law.
so what you can do is sit down, and whenever you want to tell me an actual story of what occurred rather than the past and just to look them up, then
No,
we'll
I'm
talk.
not.
I promise you, if you slip those cuffs, you're going to be under arrest. Do you understand
When I
that?
arrived here, I started telling
Did you
my
hear
mom,
me? If you slip those cuffs, meaning take your hand out of them, you're
Dude,
going to be
I've done it
arrested.
already. I don't care. I'm
Okay.
going to talk to you. So when I got here, I went and I talked to my mother, and then he came out of his room and he's like, "What's your problem?" And then he came kicking me and got on the phone and was like, "She's attacking me. She's attacking my mother." Like, you know, he knows the rule of law. He knows the game. You know what I mean? Like, it wasn't like that. And then he just kept kicking me, and like right before you walked in, he literally kicked me. Like
Where was he kicking you and pushing you? Was he kicking you in the legs, the torso, the arms, the
yeah,
head,
whatever
the neck?
his leg could reach. I mean, like, figure it out.
Well, what did
The
you
last
physically
time,
feel?
he knocked me on the ground when you walked in.
Okay, and I saw that. So,
Okay.
and you're telling me that he was kicking you, so I'm asking you, where was he kicking
Well, I know, dude, like, he just kept kicking. Like, it didn't matter where it hit. But the last time when you walked in, you
Do
knew
you feel any pain anywhere?
yeah, I feel pain in my heart that my mother has to deal with it.
Ma'am, I understand.
I'm
that.
not scared of him. No, I don't feel pain from him.
I'm not. I'm just trying.
He even said on the conversation, I have a gun. Like, go search my shit. I have no gun. It's all about my mother. You know what? He's bipolar. He's a piece of shit. And he was going to burn the house down. He couldn't even be allowed by the kid anymore that he raised since she was 2 to 9. So, I mean, like, let's figure it out. I put up with this for a year. I'm not putting up with it anymore. You know, she's not going to say anything. She's a battered woman. If he kicks and pushes me all over the place, and I'm strong. I'm strong. I didn't fight back. I wanted my mother to do something. Every time he kicked me and every time he pushed me, I told her, do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Because I didn't want to fight back.
Okay. But you see, you're
Dude, I'll pick up a board and knock that bitch out.
You're telling me that you were battered, and I'm trying to ascertain the actual events of what occurred.
I already told you. And
But
you know
you
what?
really
I don't.
didn't. Like, you
No,
told
I
me
did.
bits-
What do you need different?
I don't need anything different.
Okay,
I need
then
the
let me
legitimate story.
Let me go. Let me go.
You're going to sit down in the chair because you're detained. You're going to sit down in the chair, or you're going to go in the back of
You
the
feel
police
good
car.
right now?
Do I feel
Like
good?
detaining me and not the bipolar in that house. Do you feel good?
You know, I do feel good because I'm doing my job. And
You're doing your job. Like
keeping.
keeping me from what? Like what are you keeping me from?
Keeping you from? It's not keeping you from anything. It's detaining you while I'm investigating a crime.
Okay. So
If you have an issue with it, you can always file a
Well,
complaint.
you're not going to do anything. Like you're not going to go after him. You're not going to do anything. So let me go.
It's not going to happen. You're going to sit there until we're done with our investigation.
Right, because you're the boss. Because you're okay. So all right. So let me know when you're done.
But then deputies heard from the one person caught in the middle of it all.
Please.
I want to see my daughter.
She's right here. We're investigating. We're asking her questions right now. We're in the middle of an interview with her.
Listen, I don't want anybody arrested.
I understand
She
that.
has horses and I can't go out and take care of them.
I understand that. Let us figure out what's going on and we'll get back with you and let you know
And
what's
I don't
going
want
on.
him arrested either.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
I have no money, no nothing.
Let us figure it out and we'll get back with you and let you know what's
Can
going
I
on.
just
Okay?
see my daughter?
She's right here. She's talking with the other two deputies out here. Okay? We don't want to get things escalated again, so after she's finished, we'll let you guys know what's going
She's
on.
got to go home.
Okay.
She's got to go home.
Okay. Can you just give us a moment, please?
I'm sorry, I'm
I get it.
I'm 78 years old, you know?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't need this.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
And she wants to get him in trouble. I know she does.
Okay.
Because she hates him.
Okay. Can you have the deputy inside talking with you?
Excuse me?
The other deputies inside, did they speak with you yet?
Yeah, but I don't know what to tell him.
Okay.
I'm just sick of this whole thing. Why the f she came here, I have no idea.
Did you let her in the house?
Yeah, I let her in the house.
Okay. This is me. Hey, how you doing, man?
I don't know. They were punching and shoving each other.
Oh no, I didn't push him.
Ma'am.
You know I didn't. She knows I didn't. It's a lie. If I pushed him, there would have been a huge fight.
Excuse me? She came to see you? I guess. She came here.
All right, I'm done with this. Let me
Okay,
go.
have a seat. We're not going to tell you again. Actually, you know what? Let's just put her in the car because she's not going to listen.
See what she does? You see what she does for him? Yeah, you don't know this shit. Call. Who the f are you? You don't know shit about me and about them.
A short time later, deputies removed Melissa from the patrol car to adjust her handcuffs. That's when her behavior took another turn.
All right, hop out. Hop out, face the car.
All right. Here's what's going to happen is I'm going to fix these cuffs so they don't tighten up on you.
What are you doing?
I'll tell you in just a second.
You're gonna take me to jail? For
Ma'am,
what?
Face the car.
For what?
Face the car.
For what?
You're being placed under arrest for domestic battery. Place the
For
car.
what?
If you keep it up,
For what? I didn't touch anybody. He kicked me 100 times.
I'm literally
You're
trying
gonna let me get arrested?
Ride in the car.
You're
with
gonna
me.
let me get arrested? You're gonna let me get arrested right now?
Get in the
You're
car.
gonna let me get arrested?
You got her for that? Yep. Here comes the stuff.
You're gonna let me get arrested?
Just sit down.
You're gonna let me get arrested for what? You watched me kick 100 times.
Get in the
For
car.
what?
Ma'am.
For what?
Get.
I hope you die. I hope you die.
As the investigation continued, deputies asked a few more questions about the family's past.
What's going on now? If you could please fill me in.
Yeah. On which part?
Everything, the whole.
Okay, so she's being placed under arrest for domestic battery. He's got injuries consistent with his statement. And obviously she's not very cooperative, so she's not giving us anything to dispute what he's saying.
Wait a minute.
She's not cooperative with us to even dispute what he's saying, but from what he's saying, the injuries lined up with what his statement is.
Well, what does she say?
She doesn't want. She's not cooperative with. She don't want to tell us anything. You saw how she was acting, so she can't just show up and start doing stuff like this. It's not right.
No.
I get that's your daughter, but at the same time, like
My
she's
daughter
not.
and my son.
She's not a child.
No.
She's got to learn.
Something years old.
Right.
She's 56, I think.
Yeah, and from what it looks like, there's a history of this.
Yes.
Oh, between the two of them?
Yeah.
Oh, they hate each other. They hate each other.
Something's got to change, right? So we got to do something.
That'll never change.
Well,
And she's pissed off over the fact.
then this is going to keep need to be.
So
obviously.
basically, this is what's going to happen. She will call whoever she calls tomorrow. If she needs to come here and get the truck, which she will, you have to call an officer
Right,
first.
we have to be here.
Okay. And that's all that you need to
She's
know
not
right
coming
now.
in the house either.
No, she's not.
An officer will be here for her
There's
to
going to
get her
be a no
truck.
contact order between
Good.
you two.
Good.
So,
I started the no contact order like 4 years ago when I blocked her on every platform I possibly
I know.
could, and she still finds a way to do shit like this.
I've been around here for 10 years. Believe me, I know.
It's just, it's
All right,
like
thank
I
you.
was getting ready to
Do
put
you need anything
magic.
else?
Like I seriously like
Anything
have
else
all
for
my
me?
shit together. I was gonna jump
need
in the
anything else
shower
for me?
and go.
No, officer.
And then she starts banging on the door.
Would you- sorry, I had gloves on.
After speaking with everyone involved and examining the scene, deputies determined that Melissa Paragios was the primary aggressor in the disturbance. Even after being detained, she continued arguing, ignored repeated commands, and resisted officers' attempts to take her into custody. Melissa Paragios was ultimately charged with domestic battery and resisting an officer without violence. If you enjoy videos like this, like, subscribe, and check out the next story.